Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung rating natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Meron nga pala tayong special channel for water sign Philippines. Feel free to check it out. Let's start. Water sign. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ako, open ako, Madam, space, P as in princess, and then space din sa dulo. Yan yung Facebook page namin. virgophilippines@gmail.com. Yan naman yung email address if you want na sa email mag-inquire. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of water sign, the Hierophant, Page of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like marami kang lesson na natututunan ngayon when it comes to friends, love, Page of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, aminin nyo, medyo nagiging immature kayo pagdating sa mga nagiging desisyon nyo sa buhay. I can see that your main focus is new beginnings pagdating sa money, new career, or new journey na naman, no? Pagdating sa finances. Andun yung, susugod ka talaga eh. Gagawin mo talaga, ipupush mo talaga to eh. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may mga experiences ka sa buhay mo na kahit pa paano nakamove on ka na doon. Sino to person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Ace of Swords, Six of Wands, Three of Cups. This could be a friend. Palaban tong friend na to. Could be someone who is nalabas sa dreams mo or what. Ace of Swords is here. So, you're really thinking about this person. Lagi mo iniisip. Six of Wands. Could be a friend or a past person. Palaban tong taong to. And the Three of Cups. Either you or this person gusto ng reconciliation. So, pwedeng past person na pwedeng naputol or nawala na yung connection ninyo. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Ng person na ito. And the Lovers, Four of Pentacles, the Sun, Major Arcana, the Lovers and the Sun, Gemini, Leo energy, okay. Justice card also, Major Arcana. This is Libra energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ito, nakukuha natin yung energy na I feel like nararamdaman mo yung spiritual connection ninyo nitong taong to. Parang feeling mo siya yung tinadhana para sa'yo. Pero ikaw mismo tinatago mo or hindi ka nagiging open regarding doon. Pwedeng siya yung tipo ng tao na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo. Like, you feel a lot of happiness dito sa taong to. Pero pwedeng hindi nagkaroon kasi ng chance sa inyo or nagkaroon ng Pwedeng parang ang hirap i-push ng connection na to. Parang some of you, pwedeng, this is a friend na we're in. Pagka nagkakaroon ng reconnection, one of you is hindi pwede, bawal makakonect or makarelasyon, parang ganun. And the Four of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Parang hindi sure kung dapat ba i-push or hindi. So, pagka nagkakaroon ng reconciliation, reconnection, pwedeng nandun yung pag-aalangan. But I feel like deep inside, you knew that this is the one for you. Ramdam mo na ito yung taong para sa'yo. The Justice card is here. This person, I feel like nagiging open siya kung anong emotion niya sa'yo. Kung anong pananaw or anong gusto niya mangyari sa future. This could be a person, a businesswoman, a businessman kind of energy. Or someone na very stable pagdating sa career. I feel like itong person na to, gusto niyang mag-join ka sa kanya. Hindi ko alam, pwedeng may kinalaman sa usaping financial yon. Some kind of collaboration. Maybe business collaboration. In the near future, 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups. Clarify the 10 of Pentacles and the 5 of Pentacles. The Devil, the Ace of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. The Tower, the 5 of Wands, 5 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles is here. What's with the 3 of Pentacles? The 2 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands. In the near future, I can see possible na there's a person who would love you, pero parang in a toxic way, na parang tipong siya, imamanipulate ka na niya. So be careful, be mindful of that. And pwedeng hindi ka na maging sure sa connection mo with this person because of this particular person. Parang alam mo, soulmate mo to, maybe even twin flame para sa iba. Pero yung presensya ng another person, could be a new person, magli-lead siya into thinking na ikaw hindi ka okay or hindi pwedeng maging kayong dalawa nitong past person na to. Then it would lead into pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, and eventually ending ng connection ninyo. And magdudulot ito ng kalungkutan. Hindi lang sa kanya, sa'yo din, ano? Kasi ramdam niya yung connection, but the problem is mahirap i-connect or mahirap ipilit. Kasi there's another person na pwedeng magiging manipulator or magiging dahilan kung bakit hindi talaga pwedeng. Like what I've told you, pwedeng na pag nagkakaroon ng reconnection sa inyo, laging may nagiging someone na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi pwede. And then, someone here, parang wala akong choice kundi makinig kung sa ano yung sasabihin nitong person na magdidikta sa akin. So, I can see an ending sa connection ninyo. Not because hindi nyo gusto ang isa't isa, but rather ending of a connection because of someone else. Okay? So, that's it for now. It's like pag hindi kasi sumunod, no, doon sa person na yon, may consequences. And you don't like the consequences. And ayaw mo ng consequences na yun. Kaya nga itong taong to, parang imamanipulate ka talaga niya. Could be someone who is very narcissist and iniisip niya yung sarili niya. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.